Well, hello, it's Friday the 12th, about 3:15 or so. Yeah, give or take. This bike was here a couple of years ago. Hadn't been really ridden since. I went through I pulled the pilot jets out. These are premieres on it. The pilot jets were all clogged up, so I cleaned them and started the bike, and it seemed to run just fine. That was 2 or 3 days ago. And then yesterday we decided to do a test ride before giving it back to the client, and we started the bike, and the left cylinder is lazy. Just wasn't running as hot as the right cylinder. We're not running as strong. So I decided to take some time and actually pull the carbs completely off and go through them. Then I'm going to drain out the gasoline that's been sitting in it, put in fresh gas, and start it up and see how it goes. See if I get both cylinders working equally. So that's where we are. I'm just going to pull the carburetors off of it right now and take a look. All right, it's a few minutes after I last videoed, and I'm going to show you an example of a lesson learned for me. I thought since these were premieres, basically I'd take the pilot jets out, the nice removable ones, and clean them and put them back and solve the problem. Probably solve the problem. And the bike ran, and the bike ran better. And well, the bike ran. So I said, good enough. Wrong thing to do. First of all, take a look at the needle here. This little bit of dirt is not a good idea. So we'll clean the needle. This one's not as bad, but I'm going to hold up these jet blocks. I'll take this main jet and needle jet out of here in a minute, but I want to hold these up to the light and see if you can see through them successfully. Okay, see the hole there? That's me blowing through it. Okay, there you go. See how nice and clear that main jet is? Okay, so you can see that. Let's see if I can open it up again. There, okay, so you can see through it. Now let me get the other one. That's this one. Let's get this one. That's me blowing through it. Oh, well, there goes the show and tell, because apparently whatever's in it came out when I just blew through it, because it was pretty well clogged up. All right, so anyway, I'm going to take these apart. Just double check this other one again. No, look how bad it is. Keeps, I think there's something in there. I'm going to clean these. This one is the one I suspect. And that would be the right-hand carb. So anyway, yeah, I'll take these apart, clean them, and then show you the results. All right, it's a few minutes later, and I cleaned the needles. 1,000 grit wet or dry sandpaper. Clean them up, shine them up. I took the jet block apart. This is your needle jet. This is the main jet. Okay. And this one has a, what's it got in it? It's a 190. That's nice. So anyway, when I had these apart, I'd hold them up to the light, and you can see the hole. Well, that wasn't always there on one of these. I don't remember which one, but I mean, I would clean it, hold it up, and it would be partially closed or very, very small. And let's see, here's the other one. And I did it a couple of times, used some pressure cleaner, spray can, CRC, good old CRC carb cleaner, and some Q-tips, and even a metal probe for one of them to get stuff out of it. And you can see how clean they are now. So at least I found that as a possible problem. Anyway, they look a lot better. I'll probably put these together pretty quick. I'm going to take the pilot jets out again. These are premieres, so here are the pilot jets right here. I'll pull them out, double clean them, and then probably start putting these things together. And it's a bit later. I took the pilot jets out and cleaned them as best we can using both a little cleaner, this little cleaner with the drill bit in it, and I have this nozzle on the end of the can of carb cleaner, and I put the, I try to do this with one hand, I put the tip right into the end of the blue stopper. It goes right in there and stays, and I can shoot cleaner right through these to clean them internally. So at this point in time, I've cleaned up everything on the carbs. I've run out of time, so I'm going to have to call it a day. I'll put these together tomorrow and see what we can do with a first start. So looking good, and end of day.